Herd's moving northeast, about 70 yards out.
Copy. Lining up. Engaging.
Good hits, 2 down. Remaining group splitting left.
Coming around for another pass.
Roger that. Hold altitude, we'll re-engage.
Coming up on the herd, left side. Copy.
Copy, got eyes.
Range 60, clear to fire.
Engaging. Shot out. Another round. Hog down. Rest and break right.
We'll swing back around, stay on them.
Herd's at 2 o'clock, 30 out.
I see them. Bringing us down to their pace.
You're lined up.
Copy. Engaging. Hit. They're breaking left.
Stay on them. Keep the nose in. One more.